Imagine unlocking doors to global markets with a single certification. ISO 13485 is not just a standard, it's your passport to international success. Let's explore why this certification is indispensable for regulatory compliance. A strong quality management system, QMS, is the backbone of ISO 13485. It encompasses document control, management responsibility, and resource management. Each element plays a pivotal role in ensuring product realization and continuous improvement. Document control is crucial. It ensures that every piece of information is accurate and accessible. Management responsibility ensures leadership commitment, while resource management optimizes efficiency and effectiveness. Risk management is not optional, it's essential throughout the product lifecycle. From risk assessment to mitigation strategies, continuous monitoring ensures safety and compliance. Proper documentation is key to effective risk management. Risk assessment identifies potential hazards, while mitigation strategies reduce their impact. Continuous monitoring ensures that risks are managed proactively, safeguarding both the company and its customers. Implementing design controls is vital for medical devices. Verification, validation, and transfer ensure that designs meet requirements. Production controls, including GMP and environmental systems, maintain product quality and safety. Design verification confirms that outputs meet input requirements. Validation ensures that devices perform as intended. Production controls like GMP guarantee consistent quality, while environmental systems protect both products and workers. Conducting a gap analysis is the first step towards ISO 13485 certification. It identifies areas for improvement. Developing essential documentation like SOPs and quality manuals is crucial for a successful audit. Certification audits occur in stages. The documentation review is followed by an on-site audit. Addressing findings promptly ensures a smooth certification process, paving the way for ISO 13485 certification. Common challenges in obtaining ISO 13485 certification include document control and risk management. Practical solutions like robust documentation systems can overcome these hurdles, leading to long-term benefits. Maintaining certification enhances market access, regulatory compliance, and operational efficiency. It builds customer confidence and supports business growth, making the investment worthwhile. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's navigate the complexities of the Brazilian market and achieve regulatory success. For more information, contact us or visit our website at www.brisa.com.br.